Here I have DOOGEE V30, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it, can't even access your device now. So in this kind of situation, what you can do is to turn off your device, then tap power off, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. So you just hold it like this until this kind of menu appears with small letters. Yeah, please show me. Yeah, something like that. Sometimes you have to let go of keys and press once again in order for it to show. So yeah, here in this menu you can use volume up to navigate and volume down to select, and you should select the first option, recovery mode. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select, you should select an option wipe data factory reset, then select factory data reset, and when you see the message data wipe complete here, select the first option reboot system now, and device will be restarted in about a minute or something.
And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.